Wait, did Swiggy Instamart just open an offline store? Yes, Swiggy, after years of convincing users to download their app and order online, has opened its first experience store in Gurugram, where customers can actually touch and feel the fresh produce and experience the D2C brands. Quick commerce was supposed to kill the offline retail. So why is Swiggy actually going back? With Zepto and Swiggy fighting for faster delivery and discounts, Swiggy is trying something else, owning the neighborhood experience. Now, after disrupting Kirana store, this move feels less like innovation and more like coming in full circle. And this is happening right after the 10,000 crore QIP fundraising. So here's the real question. Is this strategy or course correction?